everyone. My name is Ritvika. I am studying in first class A2 section. A small conversation about teacher and student. My calendar name is teacher. She is my friend. Hi, hello, good morning everyone. My name is K. Shutakeetan. I am studying in first class A2 section. My character name is student. Student name is Ramu. Start conversation with Hi Ramu. Hi sir. Good morning sir. Good morning Ramu.